Good morning. Welcome to online classes. Today you are very nicely knowing me, Puspa Kumari ma'am is going to teach social science. Children, this subject contains 3 books. First, Our Past 1 of History. Second, Social and Political Life of Civics. And third, The Earth, Our Habitat of Geography. Today I am going to teach history. The name of the book is Our Past 1. Now let us know what is history. It is a study of past, specifically the people, societies, events and the problems of past, as well as our attempts to understand them. So let us start the chapter what, where, how and when. This is our first chapter, and the first we are going to know about the past. What can we find out? What people ate. We are going to find out what people ate, the kinds of clothes they wore, lives of hunters. Hunter means who hunt animal. Lives of herder, who rear animal. Farmer, who grow crops. Rulers, who ruled the country. Merchant, who sell goods. Priest, who teach the religious subjects to the people. Craft person, they make many items. And musician, they play music. We can also find out about the games they played or the children played, stories they heard and the song they sung. Now, next, where did these people live? These people means the people who were lived many years ago. They are also known as early men. In India, these early men used to live near river Narmada, Suleiman and Kirthar hills and the Garo hills and the north of Vindhyas. Let us start from first part. River Narmada flows in the central part of India. Here, skilled gatherer used to live. They gather item for their food. They knew about the vast wealth of plant. Even they are collected roots, fruits and other forest produce. They hunted animal also. These all items they use to eat. Second, 8,000 years ago, farmer lived near Suleiman and Kirthar hill. Suleiman and Kirthar hill presently is in Pakistan, and you can also know it is the western part of India. Here, because farmer lived, so they grow crops, and when they grow crops, they also rear animal. The important items grown by these people were wheat and barley, and the animal they reared were goat and sheep. Near Garo hill, which is presently in Assam and the north of Vindhyas mountain, here also farmer lived who grow crops and rear animal, but the most important is rice was first grown here. Means rice was first grown in the north of the Vindhyas mountain and near the Garo hills. Next, River Indus and its tributaries. Tributaries are smaller rivers that flow into larger river. River Indus flows in the western part of India. Some of its tributaries are Beej, Satluj, etc. Here, 4,700 years ago, some of the earliest cities flourished on the bank of these rivers. These important cities are Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. 2500 years ago, many important cities developed on the bank of river Ganga and its tributaries Son. Fourth, this time the setup of large kingdom Magad. This is our heading, the setup of large kingdom Magad. In ancient times, the area south of the Ganga was called Magad. It is ruled by very powerful ruler like Ajatasattu, Bimbisar, Asoka, etc. They set up large kingdom. Many other rulers also set up large kingdom in the different part of the India. Our next part is, why did people travel in the ancient period? Some of the important reasons were in the search of livelihood, especially food and water, shelter, to escape from natural disaster like droughts and floods. They carry valuable goods from place to place. They were merchant. Religious teacher walked from village to village and town to town teaching people new ideas. Some people traveled to discover new places. All these led to the sharing of ideas between people. Now, can you know why do people today travel? According to me, more of them you are knowing, they travel to know new places, travel to join for jobs, for the education, visiting family and friends, to explore different culture, etc. Now here I am going to end the, let us see some homework. Match the following. This match the following is based, just I have taught you. Just look at on the match the following. In the first column is written Narmada Valley, Magad, Garo Hills, Indus and its tributaries, and Ganga Valley. In the second column, the big kingdom, hunting and gathering, cities about 2500 years ago, early agriculture, and the first cities. The answer will be Narmada Valley, hunting and gathering, Magad, the big kingdom, Garo Hills, early agriculture, Indus and its tributaries, the first cities, and Ganga Valley, cities about 2500 years ago. So do this homework in your book. Let us hope you can understood the chapter just I have started. The next part will be taught tomorrow. Okay, thanks.